In this video, we'll keep it simple and show you how to provide unattended access using VNC Connect's device access capability. If you're looking to provide remote support, we recommend you try out On-Demand Assist, which will allow you to seamlessly provide support to a remote person. If you don't yet have a RealVNC account, the quickest way to get started is with a free trial. Enter a valid email address as you'll need to verify it. Choose a strong, unique account password. Enter a few more details and sign into your online portal. Download VNC Connect. Follow the instructions to install it. Click Sign In. As you are already signed into the VNC Connect portal, you will be automatically signed into your VNC Connect desktop application. Copy the VNC password, as this is the password you'll need to access this device in the future. Now, grab a second device. Let's use this as the device you want to control from. Just download VNC Connect. Follow the instructions to install it, and then sign in using your RealVNC account credentials. Remember to choose how you want to connect to this device. Select the remote computer when it automatically appears in your team and connect. You'll be asked to authenticate again, and that's it. You can now control your computer from anywhere in the world using any device running VNC Viewer. If you need more information or help setting up VNC Connect, just visit our website. Thanks for watching.